Welcome to Ayuks Kitchen, my friends. Sorry, don't mind my voice. I'm supposed to post this video for a while, but because I'm having cold, I didn't post it. But I'm still going to go ahead and teach you guys how I made this yummy pot of potato porridge. So I started by washing up my potato because I don't want, when I peel it, I would have like the inner part dirty. So I cleaned that off, then I went ahead to peel it off. Now that I'm done peeling, you cut it according to the size you want it. So there I was using my hand, I used the chopping board, but apparently I prefer to use my hand and the chopping board. When I was done, I transferred it into a clean pot. This is the pot I'll be using, and I added water. You don't want to add too much water because the potato itself is going to juice out. Then these are my ingredients, nothing much: onions, pepper mix. Then we have our crayfish, curry, seasoning cubes, your vegetable, and palm oil. So here it's boiling. I made a mistake here. I was supposed to reduce my water before adding the remaining ingredient, but nonetheless it came out yummy still. So I added my pepper mix, seasoning cube, and curry powder. Salt. Crayfish is optional. You can add other proteins if you want. You can add smoked fish, you can add beef, any protein of your choice. Then you go ahead and stir. You don't want to stir so much because potato is soft. Then you cover and allow the ingredient to marinate into the potato. Now that it has boiled, I went ahead to add my vegetable. Here I'm using my frozen ugu leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice too. Then you stir gradually. If you notice here, I was trying to mash it a piece because my water is much. So instead of adding it thick now, you just mash it a bit and it will get thick that way. Let it boil for a while, and now you're ready to serve. Just look at how yummy this is. I served mine with fish, though I didn't add it here. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.